Hey everyone, this is a fraud from by production. Yes, I don't have glasses. Oh my gosh! No. I am home at Wolf's place as usual, and it's soon 1 o'clock here in Denmark, which means 1 hour in the new year, 2012. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Already a year. It just sounds like we just started 2011, but here we are. No. Sorry, I just got that. My friend is shooting something on YouTube. That's also alright. And I am making this video just to let you know that I have had a great year. Very great year, and very indeed. Starting at my new school, that was pretty amazing. It was awesome. Uh, and so sorry. And it was kind of a shock for me when I came to there, and I was. I wonder if people want to talk with me, and they did. Well, pretty funny. Then I have been together with Ray for a little over half year now. I think 8 months, which is the longest relationship I had. And
You are very happy.
I'm very happy. Yes, indeed. Sadly, she's just not online. She won't talk with me on. I think she's doing something. Then yeah, I got something I wanted to say about. For example, I still think Kevin the Duke is very shut down in his head because I can eat a chicken faster than the sky is blowing up, and he's making his voice deeper than it is.
I think he's very dumb.
I think it's very pathetic.
Yes.
Um, he is like, I think 23, 24, something like that, in the 20s years, and then he is acting like one in 13, and he's looked like one in the 40 years old, and so
It's all the crap he eats. It's destroying him.
well, I won't say that because I think he's eating okay.
Junk food.
Okay, that's not so good anyway. But he think that I took Ray from him. I didn't. Ray chose me instead of him. I don't know why. You know it, Kevin. And if you want to kick my ass, you can kick it because I know you're still mad at me, and I think it's very stupid of you being mad at me because that's not worthy. I won't hate you because I think you're still a okay guy, and yeah, I'm just done being to hate people. I have this haters gonna hate, and yes, if you hate me, hate me. I don't care. But that means I will not trying to talk with you, and either won't. Right? I know her a little bit better than you do today. But anyway, then this year, very happily thing, Beyonce got pregnant, which was very great for me because I'm a big fan of her, and she has always wished to get a little baby, which is just great. And she got it, and then she gets complaining from people, it's fake pregnancy. No, it's not. Because if she was pregnant, she wouldn't go up and tell people I'm pregnant, showing it, rubbing her stomach, and telling people like I'm pregnant. I'm going to have a baby. Well, she's still making songs and movies, and it's actually I'm pretty impressed because I can kind of imagine how it is having a baby in the stomach. Must be very painful but hard. Hard breathing. You have to feed for two people. Yeah. So stop dissing her because she is having a hard time right now. So yeah. You have something to say, Wolf?
I think most people that are saying that her pregnancy is fake is,
I think they're
They-
jealous if they
yes.
adopts people, because if
They-
they haven't got a baby, they might want to have one, and then they think it's what are you calling it, unfair that she gets one and they didn't.
Yeah, that may be one thing that can make people do that, or maybe they just aren't her fans and whoa, pregnancy, but making other people believe that she's a bitch that make us believe that she's.
Well, Beyonce isn't a bitch. She's a very good girl. She has inspired very many women, and she has also inspired me very much to fight for who I am.
And her music,
Her music is just
it's wonderful.
her music is perfect. So stop hating Beyonce, because you can't be her like her. No one can. You just have to be yourself, and that's what her songs are like. Especially the song "Who Run the World," girls. We run the world. Yes, we do. And there was a thing more. I don't remember why. Oh yeah, this is a message from for some DVM people. Stop telling me that I'm stealing my own art, because I'm not. I make my own art, and then it's not my fault that you're stealing it and trying to complain that, oh, you stole my art. And then, listen, kid, I have the original art. That means me, the owner of it. So stop treating me like shit, because you copied my characters. You stole my style. You tried to steal my pictures and blaming me for stealing my own pictures. That's not a good idea, especially not when it's me you are running around with, or my friends. Stop it. Thank you very much.
It's not good behavior to steal other people's things.
No. But you're mostly welcome to ask me, hey, can I borrow your style and make a credit that you made the styles? That's okay. But stealing my character is wrong, because they are my inner character. They are based on myself and who I am, what I have been, etc. So stop doing that. Thank you. You touched my food.
I touch your food
Oh!
and I make it cry.
So, sorry about that. That was I was a little but also happy New Year for you. Bye. Peace. Love, peace, rock and roll.
Thank you.